Hi guys, welcome to Techavro. In this video, I'm gonna be showing you how to deactivate your Facebook page temporarily. So you have to go to your Facebook page first. How to make sure a Facebook page. You can see the top right corner this profile icon. Click on this, and this is the Facebook ID and this is the Facebook page. So you have to switch the Facebook ID to your Facebook page by clicking on this here. Just click on and you will be landing your Facebook page. Now you have to click on this your Facebook page name, and this is your Facebook page timeline. Now you have to go to settings. Now scroll down till you find your information, this one. Under this category you have to find access and control. Click on this access and control, and then you can see deactivate Facebook page. This can be temporary. Okay, if you click on continue, it will ask for the password. If you give the password and click on continue, your Facebook page will be deactivated temporarily. Okay, so this is how you can do this, guys. If you find this video helpful, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.